Have you ever wondered how inheritance works in Java? Well, today is your lucky day. We're diving deep into this fundamental concept that forms the backbone of object-oriented programming in Java. Inheritance, as the name suggests, is all about inheriting or receiving characteristics. Just as children inherit traits from their parents, in Java, a class can inherit fields and methods from another class. This not only fosters reusability, but also helps in organizing code better. So where to start? Well, first grasp the idea of a parent class, also known as the superclass, and a child class, or subclass. Think of a generic category like animal. This could be your superclass. Then, specific animals like dog or cat could be your subclasses. The subclasses inherit all the characteristics of the superclass. So if your animal class has a method for eating, your dog and cat classes will inherit this method. But how does this happen in Java? It's all about the extends keyword. When creating your subclass, you declare it in Java as class dog extends animal. This means dog is now a subclass of animal and will inherit all its fields and methods. Now, let's talk constructors. In Java, a subclass doesn't inherit constructors from its superclass. If you create a dog object, Java won't use the animal constructor to do it. Instead, the dog class needs its own constructor. But what if you want to access the superclass's constructor? Well, Java has a keyword for that, super. By using super in the subclass, you can call the constructor of the superclass. Now, don't forget about the override feature. If your subclass has a method with the same name as a method in the superclass, the subclass's method overrides the one in the superclass. This means when you call the method on a subclass object, Java will use the subclass's version of the method. A key point to remember is that Java only supports single inheritance, meaning a class can only inherit from one superclass. Java does not support multiple inheritance to avoid complexity and potential conflicts in method calls. To sum it all up, inheritance in Java is a way to organize and reuse code by allowing classes to inherit fields and methods from other classes. This is done using the extends keyword. Subclasses don't inherit constructors, but you can access the superclass's constructor using super. If a subclass has a method with the same name as one in the superclass, it overrides the superclass's method. And remember, Java only supports single inheritance. So, next time you see the extends keyword in Java, you'll know the power it holds. It's not just about creating a hierarchy of classes. It's about efficiency, reusability, and clean, organized code. So, keep exploring, keep coding, and make Java inheritance your new best friend.